Unforeseen things can happen, and when they do, you need your equipment to be as consistent and effortless as possible. This reality shapes our approach to manufacturing from design to production. So it wasn't enough to make the Aero the lightest and most aerodynamic guard on the market. We've also redesigned our cutting-edge features like the Slam Latch to make life on the road easier. With industry-leading technology, the all-new Slam Latch provides nearly instant access to the engine. Simply remove the toe pin, and the Aero truck guard comes down with one click. And locking it back in place is as easy as lifting the guard back into the upright position. The Reimagined Slam Latch makes pre-inspections and routine maintenance easier than ever, saving drivers precious time. By replacing the previous eye-bolt mechanisms and removing the need for tools, the next generation of Hurd Slam Latch has been redesigned to last with little to no maintenance so operators can stay focused on the tasks that matter most. Hurd takes pride in empowering drivers and maximizing the usage of their vehicles. It's a passion for people that fuels innovation, and one more way that Hurd is driving results.